Are you looking to scale up your business, or maybe need to take a step back to plan the growth of your business? For 5 weeks, we will be hosting the Cywain Accelerator, a series of online sessions concentrating on all aspects of scaling up and growing your business. We will focus on attitude, motivation and time management, accreditation and scaling up, communication, data and trends, finance, resilience and business models, and opportunities in retail and food service. A trade opportunity will also follow. This is what one company thought about their experience on a previous Accelerator programme.
When we did the Accelerator programme 3 years ago, we were working from a small building in town. So we signed up for it because we knew we wanted to grow. And from then, we have just progressed year after year. Having been on the course for 6 weeks, it's allowed me to look at Bragdy Cupby as a bigger picture and understand where we wanted to be. And looking at the elements of the course, it gave us the confidence to grow, to have the right attitude to carry on. And I found that my marketing strategy changed a lot. Since being on the Accelerator course, we have grown. It's gave us the confidence to move out of the small building in town, and we've taken on an industrial unit in Holyhead. Since then, we've also taken over the unit next door, so we're growing every year, year on year. And this year we had the opportunity to go down to the Taste Wales event in Newport, which has allowed us to talk to buyers from across the UK, which is an amazing opportunity. If you have the opportunity to go on this course, I do recommend it because you will find yourself inspired to carry on, to think of things that you've never thought of before, and it will definitely give you the confidence to grow, knowing that there's somebody there to support you every step of the way.
We're asking for a commitment to attend each virtual session between 9:30 and 11:30 for 5 weeks, and that you and your business are ready to scale up and grow. If you want to participate, complete the application form by the closing date, and remember that spaces are limited. Make this your year.